Hello, everyone. My name is Mincy Chakkalakal, and I'm affiliated with Integrative Skin Science and Research. Today, I'll be presenting on the effects of a botanical blend on the gut microbiome and gut-skin axis in small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO, is an inflammatory condition characterized by a dysbiosis of the gut microbiome, specifically an increase in the colonization of bacteria in the small intestine. Common symptoms of this condition include bloating, gas, abdominal discomfort, and excessive flatulence. Although antibiotics are the first line of treatment for SIBO, a previous clinical study demonstrated the potential of herbal therapy, which provided equivalent results to Rifaximin. The objective of the study was to evaluate the effectiveness of an oral botanical blend on inflammation and the gut microbiome. An open-label prospective clinical study was conducted on males and females over the age of 18 years who were diagnosed with SIBO by a lactulose breath test. Subjects were given an oral botanical blend supplementation consisting of GI Detox capsules and a liquid tincture daily for 10 weeks. Subjects who tested negative for SIBO at 10 weeks were labeled as responders and terminated the study at 10 weeks. Subjects who tested positive for SIBO at 10 weeks were labeled as non-responders and received a third oral supplement, Olivarex, in addition to the current regimen for an additional 4 weeks. Non-responders concluded study participation at 14 weeks. For gut microbiome analysis, fecal samples were collected at baseline and 10 weeks, and 14 weeks specifically for non-responders. Inflammatory plasma markers were evaluated through a venipuncture collection performed at baseline, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks, again, just for the non-responders. If you take a look at Table 1, you'll be able to see the regimen that the study participants had to follow. Figure 1 demonstrates the gut microbiome analysis, which shows an increase in 4 types of beneficial bacteria at week 10 compared to baseline. Figure 2 demonstrates a significantly decreased mean abundance of Firmicutes, an increased abundance of Bacteroides, and a decreased F to B ratio at week 10 compared to baseline. Now, the increased relative abundances of the 4 beneficial bacteria have been associated with short-chain fatty acid production, decreased intestinal permeability, metabolism, and more. Thus, these shifts in the gut microbiome may help to mitigate the symptoms of SIBO. Additionally, oral supplementation with the GI Detox capsules and the liquid tincture significantly increased plasma diamine oxidase levels at 10 weeks compared to pretreatment baseline. Oral supplementation with the GI Detox and liquid tincture and Olivarex significantly increased immunoglobulin A, or IgA, in non-responders only. Secretory IgA in intestinal mucosa secretions is associated with the regulation of the gut microbiome, specifically as an adaptive barrier against microbial cells. These effects may be attributed to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the phytoconstituents present within the botanical blend. Further investigation is required to assess the long-term effect of the botanical blend on inflammation and gut health. Therefore, oral supplementation with the botanical blend may improve the inflammation associated with SIBO and modulate the gut microbiome. Thank you so much.